You're about to see a design workflow that can transform how professionals create illustrations, logos, branding assets, and more. And here's the exciting part. You create everything yourself with creative control using a platform built specifically for designers and teams, Recraft. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Recraft to create high-quality, consistent designs, from stunning illustrations to vector logos, realistic mockups, and custom brand visuals. First, go to recraft.ai and create your account. When you log in, you'll land on the dashboard, a clean, professional workspace designed for creative projects. Click New Project, and you'll see several options. Image, to create individual images in any style. Frame, for structured, typographic, or marketing style layouts. Image Set, to produce multiple cohesive images in one style. Mockup, to create realistic, branded product previews. For our first example, I'll start with Image. When you select Image, the infinite canvas opens. This lets you freely arrange and expand your visuals without size limitations. Here's the key control panel on the left. Prompt box, where you describe exactly what you want. Aspect ratio selector, for square, vertical, horizontal, or custom sizes. Model selector, you can choose between Recraft V2, Recraft V3, and also external models. For this example, I'll go with V3. Style Picker. Once you've selected the model, you'll see only the styles available for that model. For example, after choosing V3, you can pick from the styles designed specifically for V3. Now, just type your prompt and simply click on the Recraft button. Within seconds, you can explore multiple variations you've just created. The level of detail is incredible. You can clearly see reflections, textures, and depth that remain consistent across outputs. Recraft isn't just about generation, it's about precision editing. Click the Edit Area tool, select any region, and enter a prompt to modify it without changing the rest of your design. For example, I'll select the sky in our Eco City image and replace it with a vibrant aurora borealis with soft magenta and turquoise waves, subtle glowing star. Click Modify Area, and instantly your sky changes while the rest of your scene remains intact. Perfect for professional revisions. One of Recraft's signature advantages is its ability to create scalable vector art directly in SVG format. Vectors are essential for branding because they scale from a favicon to a billboard without losing quality. To create a vector design, 1. Start a new image. 2. In style, select a vector art style, for example, flat minimalist or linecut. 3. Enter a creative prompt. A minimalist geometric hummingbird logo inspired by origami folds, flat vector style, modern color palette. Click, and you can review clean, crisp vector designs you've just produced. You can adjust the color palette live, test different moods, and then export in SVG, PNG, JPEG, or even Lottie format for animation. Consistency is critical in professional design, whether it's for icons, illustrations, or marketing assets. With the Image Set feature, you can define a style once and generate multiple images that perfectly match. For example, I can create a set of travel icons, airplane, suitcase, passport, all in the same line art style, same color palette, and ready for a website or app. Recraft excels at accurate text rendering, something most AI tools struggle with. Use a frame to combine text, imagery, and style in one layout. Example prompt: bold, happy third birthday Tommy text in elegant gold foil typography, surrounded by watercolor floral patterns and pastel tones. Cinematic lighting. You can position text directly on the frame, choose the style, and let Recraft process it. Preserving the exact formatting and typography aesthetics you've set, the mockup generator is perfect for presenting designs on products, packaging, or merchandise without leaving Recraft. 1. Choose Mockup from the New Project menu. 2. Describe the product and style. Write a prompt. For example, a white ceramic coffee mug on a rustic wooden table, morning sunlight casting warm shadows, steam rising from the cup shaped like drifting clouds, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic detail. 3. Create the mockup and then explore how your design looks in a true-to-life product preview. If you work with brands, custom styles will save you hours. Upload reference images of your brand style, select your color palette, and Recraft will match that aesthetic in all outputs from icons to full illustrations. When your design is ready, you can export in multiple formats: PNG, JPEG for standard images, SVG for scalable vector graphics, Lottie for animation-ready assets. This makes Recraft a powerful workflow tool. Recraft gives you the freedom to choose how you work. If you just want to explore and experiment, the free plan is a great start. You'll get 50 daily credits and access to every AI feature, so you can test styles, try workflows, and see what's possible. When you're ready to take things further, the Pro plan unlocks the full creative potential. Priority generation, higher credit limits, full commercial licensing, private gallery. You can go monthly for $12, but here's the good part. Your first month is only $1, so you can create without hesitation. Or choose the yearly plan at $10 a month, build $120 annually, and get the best value for long-term projects. With Recraft, you create faster, more consistently, and with more control than ever before. Whether you're building a brand, preparing marketing assets, or experimenting with creative concepts, this tool is designed to empower professional creativity. Sign up for free using the link below or scan this QR code. Start creating today. Don't forget to drop a comment and let me know what your first project will be. This is AI Border, and I'll see you in the next video.